check. Okay. Okay. Good morning, class. How are you today? I'm very fine, as usual. Thank you. Okay. Before we start our class, Adit, can you lead to the prayer for today? Okay. Who absent today? No one. Okay. Before I want to ask a question before we going to our lesson today. So, what your favorite drink in the morning? Is it tea or coffee? Minuman minuman pagimu itu apa? Kopi. Jackie. Wah, bir. Wah, enak itu. Adit, kopi. Coffee. Caranya gimana bikinnya? How to make a coffee? May I know? How to make a coffee? A cup of coffee. The ingredients, what is the ingredient? Coffee, hot water, yeah, sugar. Okay. What's the step? The first step of making coffee. Okay, boiling the water. And then, okay, add sugar in the glass. We put some coffee powder. Okay, then we pour the water. So, what we will learn today from your answer? Good. Procedure text. Any idea what is procedure text? Adit, what is a procedure text? Good. So, procedure text is text that explain how to do something step by step. The purpose of procedure text to tell or to explain the readers how to make, operate, or do something through the sequence of action or steps. Kinds of procedure text. There are a lot. Kinds of procedure text. There are a lot of procedure text. Kinds of procedure text. First is manual. Manual is about how to operate something. The example like how to turn on the monitor, how to turn on the laptop, how to use this mic, and etc. Second is recipe. Recipe is tells about how to make something. Like we have mentioned earlier, how to make coffee, how to make tea, how to make fried rice, how to make pizza, etc. And then there are games rules. Game rules, it's talk about how to play something. Example like hide and seek. What else? How to play chessboard, play card, and etc. And then there are 5 hacks. 5 hacks tells about how to do something in simple way, such as how to fold clothes under 2 seconds, like that. Now we comes to the general structure of procedure text. Before we answer what kind of general structure, let's see the example of this tag. Alif, can you read for me? This part. All of them. Good. Thank you, Alif, for reading. From this text, what you can find there. First one is the goal. Good. The goal. Good. Second, Adit. Good. Yeah, materials or ingredient. And the last is Arkan. The last general structure of procedure text according to the text. General structure. Okay, start. Good. So the general structure of procedure text, they are the goal. The goal is how to make sandwich. Second is they are material or ingredients. This part. And the last one is steps. The process of making something. And then we comes to language feature. The language feature, what we can find with this text. Apa saja language feature-nya yang ada di teks ini kira-kira? Coba kita dilihat dari stepsnya itu yang nomor pertama. Place the 2 slices of bread on a plate. Good. Action verb. Second. Dia kalimatnya berupa apa? No, bukan yang itu. Jenis kalimatnya. Good, simple present tense. Kemudian dia menggunakan apa? Cut the sandwich in half diagonally. Berarti apa? Cut the sandwich. Berarti imperatif. Imperative sentence. Kemudian ada konektivitas there are connective of sequence. Contohnya seperti first, second, next, etc. Okay, after this I want to give you a group task. Group task only 4 ya. Jadi satu saja nggak apa-apa. Satu saja. Jadi tugasnya ini ada teks. Nah, ini kan bentuknya berupa paragraf nih. Nanti dibuat bentuknya seperti ini. I will give you 15 minutes. Finish? Okay, can you read the answer for me? One of you? Okay. Okay, good. The title is how to make pizza. How about the ingredients? Yes? Yes? Okay. Good. Good. Yes. 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 Okay. Good. Good. Okay. So the ingredients: 2 cups of flour, this 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 packet of yeast, 3-4 cup of warm water, can tomato pure, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, a pinch of salt, and some sprinkle of oregano, and shredded mozzarella cheese. How about the step? Arkan?
Once the dough has risen, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Roll the dough into a flat, circular shape on a flour surface, making sure it is evenly spread to your desired thickness. Transfer the roll-out dough onto a baking sheet or a pizza stone. Spread a generous amount of pizza sauce over the dough, ensuring it covers the entire surface except for the edges. Next, add your topping. Start with shredded mozzarella cheese as the base layer. Then add your favorite ingredients such as pepperoni, sliced bell pepper, mushrooms, onions, or olive. Be creative with your choice, but avoid overloading the pizza to ensure it cooks evenly. Bake the pizza in the preheated oven about 15 until 20 minutes, or until the crust turns golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and melted. Carefully remove the pizza from the oven and let it go for a few minutes. Slice in two. After it.
Udah. Okay. Thank you. So the step is, wow, there's a lot. Ada banyak ya stepnya di sini. Mulai dari persiapan adonannya, buat sausnya, dan apa, topping-toppingnya juga. Okay. Thank you for your answer. Let's give applause for your answer. Okay. Before we come to the conclusion of this class, peregangan dulu enak ya ini kelihatannya. Kita peregangan dulu aja deh. Play memory. So, apa yang kita pelajari hari ini? Yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini tentang positive text. Oke, definition. Definisi. Apa? Definisinya apa dulu? Dari procedure text. Okay, good. Text that tells us to do something. What the second? What more? After definition, then general structure. General structure. There are three. What is? Ada tiga, apa aja? Goal, material, step. What? And last one is language feature. Apa aja language feature-nya tadi? Ya, oke, simple present tense. Next. Good, time of sequence. Sequence. Then action verb. Good. Good job everyone, and yes, this is our class today. I think this is end of our class. Before that, I want to give you homework. Please wait a moment. So this is the homework, and please submit it to me next week. Perintahnya sudah ada di sana. Ya, hari ini jadi itu saja untuk kelas hari ini. Selamat pagi dan sampai jumpa minggu depan. See you, kelas. Nggak ada yang moto. Foto. Yes. Yuk. Oke. Ya. Iya.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. How are you today? Okay, I'm good too. Thank you. Okay, before we start the class, let's pray together. Begin. Okay, finish. Okay, I will check the attendance today. Who's absent today? Okay, no one. Okay, good. Okay, today we will learn about something. Before we learn the material, let's watch a video. Okay, the video is over. Mm, what do you think about the video? Okay, how to make food? What are the ingredients of the food? Okay, egg, flavor, and some of ma- some of ingredients. And the video tells about a procedure how to make scrambled egg. And the matter of today is how is about procedure text. Okay, the objective of our lesson today is first can understand about social function, text structure, and language feature of procedure text. And second is can explain the contextual meaning related to the social meaning, the social function, text structure, and language feature of procedure text. And the third can write a procedure text. Okay, we will learn about definition of procedure text. Procedure text is text tell about how to make something or how to use something. When the text tell about how make something like make a food, drink, and etc., and how to use something, we can see about like how to use smartphone, TV, and etc. And the next is structure of procedure text. Alif, can you read it the first of structure of procedure text? Okay, good. Irfan, can you read the second structure of procedure text? Okay, good. Arkan, can you read the third structure of procedure text?
Procedure states that you must be carrying out the procedural activities.
Okay, good. The first is goal or title. The function of goal is explain the content of procedure text. And the second is material. The tell about some of ingredient or material of procedure text. And the third is step is procedure or states we must do in carrying all the procedural activities. And the next is language feature of procedure text. The first is simple present tense. In procedure text, there are any like subject verb 1 as NES plus object, and the second is subject verb 1 as RES plus complement, and the second is action verb contains like push, put, and extra, and the next is adverb of time like force. No, I I mean like 15 minutes or 1 hour and extra. The next is like adverb of manner. The example is like slowly, warmly, gently, and extra. And the next is number to show of sequence like first, next, or second, and blah blah blah. Okay, it is some of example about procedure text. Alif, can you read the goal of procedure text? The goal. Okay, good. Yes. The first is the goal of procedure text is how to make scrambled egg, and next is material. Stephanus, can you help me to tell about the material of procedure text? Read, yeah. The material. Okay, good. Yes. You have read the material of procedure text, and the next is steps. Arkan, can you help me to read the step of procedure text?
First, break the eggs into a small bowl and add in chopped milk pepper and whisk until all is well blended. Second, in a frying pan, add butter and let it melt. Third, pour in the milk, pour in the eggs and milk and wait around 20 seconds and do not stir it. Fourth, after that, fold the egg to the center and stir it with a spatula slowly. Five, the fifth, repeat the previous step until all the eggs are mostly cooked. And six, remove the egg from the lid and continue to fold and stir the eggs for around a minute. Last, lift the eggs and put them on a serving plate. Put your scrambled egg away.
Okay, good. Yes, you have read some example of procedure text, and the next is quiz. Okay, please scan the QR code in projector and let's answer the question. Okay, have you finished it? Yes, okay. Let's check your answer. Alif, can you help me to answer this question? Then check your answer. What? Okay, Cream. Let's check your answer. Okay, Irfan. Can you tell about your answer in this blank sentence? Okay, let's try. Speed. Arkan, can you please tell me about your answer? In pledge. Okay, let's try. Stephanus, can you tell me about your answer in this blank sentence? Then steer. Okay, let's try. Alif, can you please tell your answer in this blank area? Celsius. Okay, let's try. Irfan, for 15 blah 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 or until minutes. Okay, let's try. Arkan, put into. Okay, and the last is serve it. Okay, let's check your answer. Okay, is your answer is true? Okay, good job, guys. Please give applause for us. Okay, the time of our class is over. Before we go home, I will give you some homework. Please make procedure text about your favorite food. And the next meeting we will check your homework. Okay. Before we go home, let's pray together. Begin. Finish. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay.
Ya Tuhan asik.
Cek. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? Okay, I'm good, thank you. So before we start the lesson today, we can pray together. Pray, begin. Finish. Okay, I will check the attendance. So who is absent today? Okay, thank you. So before we start the lesson, we will play some games. The name is Charades. So what is Charades? So you make movement without making a sound, and then the other student will guess what it is. Jadi kalian akan membuat sebuah gerakan, kemudian akan ditebak oleh siswa lainnya. Irfan, can you stand forward? Please make movement with this word. Okay, everyone, please look at Irfan. So what it is? Yes, correct answer, Adit. Adit, can you do this word? Okay, what it is? Okay, correct, Stephanus. Can you do this, Stephanus? Come forward. This. Okay. So what it is, class? Yes, correct answer, Arkan. Arkan, can you come forward? Wait. This one. Okay. Okay, class, what it is? Please. Are you sure? Okay, correct answer, Adit. Give applause for everyone. So, talk about cooking. Have you ever made a dish or a drink? So what food? Okay. How about you, Irfan? Have you ever make this or drink? Okay, you ever made tea. So there are kind of text that contains procedure. Name is procedure text. So what is procedure text? Everyone can raise your hand. Yes, it. Okay, correct answer, Adit. So, what is procedure text? Procedure text is a type of text that describes how something can be made or used through a series of steps. Jadi, ini adalah jenis teks yang menjelaskan bagaimana sesuatu dapat dibuat atau digunakan melalui serangkaian langkah. The purpose of procedure text is to provide instruction on the step or method of making or operation something. Jadi tujuannya untuk memberikan petunjuk tentang membuat atau mengoperasikan sesuatu. We will go to the structure of procedure text. So there are three structure. Number one is goal. Contain the purpose or activities that will be done or made. Jadi ini adalah merujuk pada yang akan kita buat. Kemudian material or tools contains the material, tool or item that will be used to make or operate something. Jadi material ini adalah bahan atau alat yang akan kita gunakan untuk membuat atau mengoperasikan sesuatu. Kemudian steps contains a series of steps to make or operate something that will be done. Jadi ini merujuk pada langkah-langkahnya untuk membuat atau mengoperasikan sesuatu. Until now, any question? No, sir. Okay, we will go to the next. Next is language element or language feature. So the language element is imperative, contains the instruction for the steps. Kemudian simple present tense. The verb that is used must be verb 1. Jadi menggunakan verb 1. Kemudian action verb. The verb that shows physical activity such as put, stir, mix, etc. And then connective of sequence. The conjunction that usually connects the series of steps such as while, after that, before, while, etc. Selanjutnya, numbering. The number that indicate the sequence of activities. Example, the first, the second, etc. So this is the example of procedure text. Adit, can you read the text that belong to the goal? Yes, correct, Adit. Good job, Adit. Irfan, can you read the text that belongs to material? Okay, what it is? Okay, correct answer, Irfan. Good job. Arkan, can you read the text that belong to the step? Dapat kamu membaca teks yang merujuk pada step, langkah-langkahnya.
First, cut the big garlic and red onion, salt, chili, and white pepper and a mixture. Second, mix the spicy mixture with the eggs, flour, and the beef. Third, add a cup of water and mix it by hand. Keep on mixing until the mixture is full. The fourth, boil 2 liters of water in a large pot. After that, roll the mixture into small meatballs. At the last, pour the meatball into the boiling water, and when the meatball collapses, the spicy meatball is ready to be served.
Okay, thank you, Arkan. That's correct answer. Give applause for everyone. Until now, any question, class? Do you understand for the material today? Okay. Next, I will give you a paper. I will divide you into two groups. Group 1 is Adit and Irfan, and group 2 is Arkan and Stefanus. You can do this exercise. Start from now. Any difficult, class? Okay. How about you, Arkan and Stefanus? Okay. It's too easy, ya. Have you done? Finish? How about you, group 1? Okay. So this I will read the instruction. Arrange the step below to form a correct procedural text. Jadi ini mengurutkan kembali. Answer number 1. Group 1. Please read your answer. Number 1. Wait a minute. B. Okay. E. Oh. Sorry. Then. Okay. Yes. Okay. So, The group 1 said that number 1 is B. Group 2, can you read your answer? Is this same or with this? Or same? Okay. So your answer is correct. Number 1 is B. Can you read number 1? Yes, correct. Adit, can you read number 2? Okay. Group 2, can you read number 3, 4, and 5? Please. Can you read number 3, 4, and 5? The answer, your answer. It's with the instruction.
Next, add the rice and mix with the blended spices. Slice the green onion evenly and add it to the rice.
Okay. Number 4? Yes.
Stir quickly once everything is almost cooked. Sprinkle with the seasoning to taste. And the last part is steak. Finally, remove from the pan and serve on a plate. Still warm with fried salads.
Okay, good job. Good job, group 2 and group 1. Give applause for everyone. So, okay, class, I think the material is over. What we learned today, class? Irfan, what you learned today? Okay. Can you explain what is procedure text? Okay, correct, Irfan. Adit, how about you? Can you uh, mention the structure of procedure text? Okay. Okay, class. I will give you homework for next meeting. So your homework is create procedural text about how to make food. Okay? Okay, I think it's enough. Any question until now, class? Okay. Before we go home, we can pray together first. Pray begin. Finish. Thank you, everyone.